What's going on, Lint Lovers? It's Mark with Kathy behind the camera. So we did Big Bertha's last week, which means this week we're cleaning out the vacuum. So let's get this thing rolling. Just so you know, every other week we do a vacuum clean. This is from everything this week. Ooh, look at that. That's a beauty. I don't think this is good for the vacuum, but whatever. Look at that. So thick. Let me show you the ridges. Oh my God. Last week we had our biggest over-under game ever. What was it? 7.75 pounds. So we'll see if we can beat it this week. I'm gonna do some banging. You guys ready? Ooh, that's some dirty ass lint. Dirty. Oh, yeah, there's still some on there. You just hit it and the cheese comes right out. Ooh, look. Let's do 2 more taps and I'll get to the fingers. I kind of jumped the fingers there. Some people just want an hour of taps, Kathy. Can you believe that?
Oh my goodness.
I do want to say I appreciate everyone who watched our long form video. People that liked it really liked it, which I'm happy to do. I'm happy to branch out and do some other types of videos. So you're going to see some more of that soon. Yeah, we're definitely looking to add some different videos. But yeah, how do you guys like that? Sometimes I wish I had a smaller finger. You know what I'm saying? I don't have exceptionally large fingers. I just have regular old man fingers. Oh, look at this one right here. Man, it is thick. It just gets caked in there. Let's go right here. Let's do 5 more. Could do this all day. You guys want long? Here, I'll do 10 more. Let's do it. Let's make this a 5-minute video. How about that?
Phew.
Is your arm getting tired, Kathy?
No.
Kathy's got little arms, little baby arms on her. Those hands are small, I know. All right, and let me just do a few more. I'm not even counting anymore. I'm kind of caking up here. Man, it's just stuck right up in there. Oh man, look at that. It does clean better when this filter is clean.
What?
Hard to believe, I know, but when this thing's clean, it's like, I think we'll do a couple of bangs at the end. I'm just going all out. This is our only video of the day that we're shooting, so we did all the other machines yesterday, so let me do a couple more bangs. Oh man, look at all that came out the bottom. Watch this. Let's just drop it off. All right, enough of that. All right, let's do this. All right, we got some stridation. We had a pretty good week, right?
Yes.
Nothing like last week. There's that pin. I don't think I've posted that one yet. We get quite the backlog. We clean lint quite a bit, so I usually have 15 to 20 videos in the backlog. If they're real good, I'll move them to the front. Yeah, that stuff is fluffy today. A few little pieces in there, pin piece. I don't know what that is, some kind of nut. All right, let's get that empty. All right, so just like every other week, I'm gonna bag this up. I'm gonna put it behind the dryers. Next week, we'll do Big Bertha's, put it all in here and do it again. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and we'll see you soon. Thanks.